Okay, coming from the wife's point of view, living impoverished kind of helps you have a better view on life, on things, on people. I know for one thing, it's been nice to see my husband realize that when he is going to be a physician, that he's not just going to order labs that don't mean anything to what is relevant to the patient, because he understands how much money means to people who don't have money. He's not going to waste people's time because he understands that when you are poor, that the only way, honestly, the only way that I will go to the doctor or I will bring my children to the doctor is if someone has lost consciousness or if a limb is dangling or gone. Other than that, we say a lot of prayers, give lots of blessings, and hope for the best. And so I think us being here has opened my husband's eyes quite a bit. Have a cough, you go to the doctor and you get an antibiotic. Not everyone has that ability, and so I've really enjoyed suffering most of the time. I have enjoyed my suffering. I've had my crazy get me the HE double hockey sticks off this bendita isla of Aruba. I've had my moments. But I'd have to say the majority of the time, it's been great. For me. And I think for the kids.